Any of you that don't live in Florida probably don't know this, but do not feed or molest the alligators. Remember, a fed gator is a dead gator because the trappers will come out and kill them. You don't want gators to get comfortable around people. It's just not cool. So don't feed or molest them. I don't really know what they mean by the whole molesting thing. I guess just aggravating them. If you're trying to aggravate or molest an alligator, Darwinism at its best, I guess. Welcome in, Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Today's the 27th of August, 2018, of course, and new week. Hopefully everybody had a good weekend. And I want to talk to you about something I saw on eBay's Facebook for Business page. I think it was Friday, maybe over the weekend. I think it was Friday though. It appears that eBay either slipped up accidentally or intentionally let it out that eBay is going to start offering an option to submit offers to your watchers, which is phenomenal, but this is nothing new. Any of you that sell on Poshmark know that that is a widely used, heavily used option on Poshmark. I mean, in fact, it's how I make all my sales on Poshmark, pretty much. The thing is, I can't find this anywhere officially, and maybe somebody in the comment section can tell me if they found it official announcement, some kind of official announcement from eBay saying that they are implementing an offer to watcher button. Now, with that being said, I want to take a couple clips. They're fair use. They're on Facebook. You can check out eBay's Facebook for Business, eBay for Business Facebook page. I'll link it down below, but I want to pull a couple of clips that Audrey Tracy, who I love Audrey to death, but she's one of the good people at eBay, I think, and what she was saying about this offer button. Now, at two different points in the video, I think like 6.5 minutes and 18 minutes, they talk about it. The problem is, one of the clips, they claim that this isn't available on any other platform. Let's go ahead and listen to that right now.
So we have a lot of new features too that can help you out with that. One that I used the other day, which was really cool, was offering my watchers a different price on the item, right? I know other marketplaces do this, and so you can do that on eBay.
Is that what we call private offer? Is that the same thing?
No, I don't think it has an official name, but it's just, you get pinged by, you have a couple of watchers on this item, so it'll be by your listing, and you can say, I want to offer them something different, right?
Can you talk us through that real quick? You can through, but is that through Seller Hub? Like, how do I look at the individual listing?
It's in the individual listing, yeah.
Got it.
So it's in there.
We're seeing there's a ton of comments today about a feature that I haven't heard about, and maybe it's just speculation, but a lot of people are saying there's a new feature that is live or coming soon where sellers can send offers to their watchers.
Yeah, that's what what I'm talking about. I think it just rolled out. I don't know timing of when it did, but I did it yesterday. I saw that feature come up, and it said you have 2 watchers on this item, and you can offer them. You can send them an offer. So what happens is I click on it on the little button. I can't remember what it says, but it's something like make an offer, and I get to put in a new price. So I dropped it by $5, and then I said I get to write a message, and so I just said, hey, saw that you're interested in this item. If you're interested, I've just lowered the price for you, right?
Yep.
And thanks for looking. That's all I said. And then you hit submit. Now, one thing to keep in mind that I noticed is that it's going to go to all the watchers. So if you have 50 watchers on there, they're all going to get one message. I can't cherry pick the watchers.
You can't individualize the message.
Which, is probably fine. And then whoever gets it first, gets it first.
That's kind of actually good, because if you are sending it to more than one watcher, there's an urgency that they need to pick this up before another watcher does.
That's right.
Love it.
Okay, so you can clearly hear that they say that this is not an option available on any other platform, and that's just not true. I mean, if somebody likes your item on Poshmark, it's not technically considered watching, I suppose, but it is liking the item, and people can submit you offers. So that's clearly not the case that this isn't available on any other platform. This is just eBay catching up with the times. So while it's obviously an awesome feature, and I can't wait till it goes live for everyone, apparently it's in beta, or some of you already have it. I don't know, maybe, again, comment down below if you've got this or you know anything more. I just wanted to let you guys know that they slipped up and let this out. I don't know if they were supposed to, or if it's been known, or maybe I'm behind, or maybe it was posted somewhere. I just want to let you guys know this is apparently going to be coming live to us very, very soon, if not already. So while we're on the topic of Facebook and social media, I wanted to follow up with you guys. I put the video out the other day, day before yesterday, about making money using your Facebook groups, and that's just one of many videos I'm going to be putting out about making sure that you're taking advantage of Facebook and Instagram and all this social media to really advertise your eBay and Amazon stores, your Poshmark closet, to really up your sales. Maybe you have some private label or some jewelry, or maybe you fix electronics, or whatever it is that you do, whatever it is that you sell. Social media is really the way to get it out there and let people know, and make additional sales. And what you can do is, as you start using social media more and more, is you can document every time that you sell an item off of a platform that you got through social media, and you can figure out how much extra sales you're doing directly through social media. Now, that does not to say that those items wouldn't sell on eBay and Amazon, but you went out and got the customer, so it really gives you a great idea. But with that, with that video that I posted 2 days ago, and with the additional videos I'm going to be posting, I'm also putting together a step-by-step, literally like 50-step process from start to finish, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and most importantly of all, YouTube, and how you guys can start making money, not just through selling additional items and networking, but also just through the platforms, how you can make money a multitude of different ways. And so that step-by-step process project that I'm kind of putting together, I don't even know what to call it, should be done, should be ready to go, hopefully next week. As always, if you need extra help with the store, with sales, with anything, you can join the VIP group for now. A really amazing group of people. It's an awesome place to go. It includes looking at your store. Everyone's going to review your store. You can post it in there. I'm going to do it with you on a one-on-one video call. You're going to get unlimited email support to me. I check all those emails priority, and all of my guides and BOLO lists and PDFs and all the documents are available free for download in that group. But I can't wait to offer you guys social media help, beyond just eBay and Amazon. I'm really excited about it, and I think a lot of you are going to love it. I think a lot of you are going to benefit from it, and I think a lot of you are going to make a lot of money using social media, either more than you already do, or beginning to use social media, because a lot of you guys don't use it at all, and it's kind of depressing for me to see, honestly. I want you guys on there a lot more than you are, so look forward to that. Let me know about the eBay thing down in the comment section. I'm going to go back. I'm in a neighborhood that I'm potentially thinking about moving to in the next few months. I might wait till the first of the year to do it, but that's why I'm out here. I'm just kind of exploring a little bit, looking around at some neighborhoods, trying to figure out what would fit me best to move whenever I do. But enjoy your Monday, guys. Enjoy the rest of the week, make some money, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. That way you don't miss a thing. All the news, eBay, Amazon, and especially this social media project that I'm getting ready to post. You don't want to miss that at all. And if you're not on my email list, rockstarflipperonline.com, leave your email, and we'll talk soon. Have a wonderful Monday, guys.